In this film, you'll learn about the uses of the heat controller, the intelligent radiator heat controller from Fabaro. If you need advice on how to fit or configure one, just watch our film on the subject. Here are some of the uses of this intelligent heat controller. The heat controller is easy to control wherever you are thanks to its remote operation. It can also operate automatically, following a set schedule. Using the heat controller, you can control not just one radiator, but a group of them. With its independent measurements, the heat controller gives you even more precise temperature readings. Thanks to its ability to regulate temperatures based on the activity of the householders, the device automatically reduces the temperature when everyone is out. This intelligent radiator heat controller detects open windows or garage doors, identifying a potential change in room temperature. What makes the Fabaro heat controller irreplaceable? Universal design makes it quick and easy to fix. Thanks to the 3 adapters supplied, the device is compatible with the majority of heaters on the market. The Fabaro heat controller can operate to a fixed schedule, even if the home center is switched off. The external sensor provided in the full version of the device and also available for purchase separately provides even more precise temperature regulation. Now you know a little more about the Fabaro heat controller. Now watch other films and find out how each piece of Fabaro equipment introduces the latest technologies into your clients' homes.